Welcome to our quick at-home workout. We got an amazing 10-minute morning routine today. We are going to focus on the abdominals, building some incredible core stability. Let's get started right now. Military, march. We're going to build incredible core stability today. One exercise at a time. Let's just get the body warmed up. Engage your core in every exercise. We're going to build consistency, discipline every day in our 28-day challenge. We show up every day, we will build strength, mobility, flexibility, endurance, so much more. But I assure you, every day, we're going to boost our mood and elevate our energy. Let's just pick up the pace a bit, just to build a little bit of heat. Focus on every movement today. We want to bring a lot of presence, a lot of mindfulness into every workout as well. Okay, shake that out a bit. Just a bit of a heel kick, just to warm up. But every exercise that we do, you can always bring some presence into the core. It's our center. It really does function and facilitate all movements. So we have good core stability, balance, posture, helps us to breathe. There's so many things. We get caught up in the desire for six-pack abs. Nonsense. You can have six-pack abs and not have good core stability. It's about functional fitness. How do we get through our day with more ease? Just be a little bit stronger. Okay. Elbow to knee. Do your best to get the elbow and knee to touch. It might look like this for you. It's all good. Where you are is perfect. Building strength in the side body, but also gaining mobility in our hips, the legs. Oh, a couple more. Ooh, okay. Shake. Ooh. Just to one side, leaning obliques. Just go. Reach down as far as you can. Really stabilizing the spine, which will reduce strain, injury. Work on the core to prevent back pain. Let's go other side. It really is our center. Make it easier for climbing stairs, for carrying things. Reach. Couple more. Oh, yeah. Nice. Shake that out. Okay. Wood chopper. You come from here, up. Little bend in the knee. Up. Get a nice twist. Ooh, in the back. Bend down, up. Yeah. Couple more here. Other side. Oh, feels so nice on the lower back. Great stretch. Also, building that brilliant core stability. Okay. Want to mimic natural movement. Hopefully you can get out and chop some wood today. It's these things we used to do in the past. We were so much better physically because we were just moving naturally. Things we had to do. We just got to mimic that from time to time. Okay. Whoo, shake it out. Let's build some balance and core stability. So just cross body leg lift. Get that leg up as high as you can. Flexibility. We want to bundle as much as we can in every workout is what we're going to do. Can we get a bit of flexibility, mobility, strength, cardio in every workout? We're going to do our best to try. Simply 10 minutes. It's amazing what we can do in a short amount of time. And hopefully this encourages you to find more movement through your day. Take the stairs, go for a walk. Play at the park. Okay. Ooh, one more. Yeah. Ooh, nice stretch in the hamstrings there. Brilliant. Okay, arms out. Keep them up. We can build a little strength in the shoulders as well. And just high knee lift. Like always, engage the core. And just find your rhythm. Presence into each movement. Be here now. Yeah, a couple more. Really get it up there. Whew. Shake, shake, shake. Whew. Yes. Oh, this one I'm very much going to enjoy. We do a lunge crunch. So just one leg at a time. Step back into a lunge and then drive up and crunch down in. Back and crunch. Great balance, exercise, and of course, core stability. If you need a chair, always use it. You never know. You need a chair for one, the next time, maybe you don't need it. Oh. One more. Okay. Other side. Stick with me. Come on. Oh. Take your time with this. Nice and steady. This is why we want good core stability. So we have balance. See icy conditions. Create more stability. Don't slip and fall. We don't break a hip. Oh, balance? Yes. It's okay to fall. It is. Just have a laugh. Oh. And a couple more. Okay. I really struggled on that side. It's amazing. Some days balance is really good. Some days it's good on one side, not on the other side. Just the reality. All right, one last exercise. We're just gonna standing bicycle. And that's it for today. Yeah, that's really crunch in there. Oh yeah, can you feel it? A few more, let's finish strong. And yeah, abs of steel or what? Nobody cares if you have six-pack abs. It is not important, I assure you. Good core stability. Every movement comes from here. Keep working hard. If that's it for you today, amazing. Thanks for showing up. I will see you again tomorrow.